Welcome to my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. Few days back I have posted one photograph of finger on my Facebook page. That protocol was amenorrhea. Amenorrhea means lack of menstruation cycle or lack of bleeding. It may be in the young age, it may be in the childhood age, or it may be in the middle age. The ladies, those who are suffering from this problem, they can understand what is the reason of this amenorrhea or lack of menstrual cycle, lack of bleeding in the cycle period, or less bleeding in the cycle period, or no bleeding at all. All these problems are very complicated issue for the females. Why this is complicated? Because it is directly related with the hormonal systems of the female. If their hormonal system is disturbed, they feel so many problems in their body. They will feel the abdominal pain, they will feel the heaviness in the breast, they will feel swelling in the breast, they will feel tightness in the breast, or sometime in rare cases they are feeling the problem in putting the normal underwears, normal clothing due to tenderness of the breast. So I have shared this photograph. It's a very simple photograph. It's a very simple photo of the finger, but you can see these points are very important points. I have put one red dot here. Second red dot, you can see it is here, it is here, third is here. Why I have put these three dots on the lever meridian? It is a lever meridian in the Sijog. But when I advise to my patient, I always advise them to paint these points on your TCM meridians or on your legs for excellent and immediate results. When they put these points, lever 2 red color, lever 5 red color, lever 8 red color. Why I am increasing the fire and sedating the coldness of the lever? If you see the anatomy of the body, if you see the flow of the meridian, or if you know the flow of meridian and anatomy of the meridian, anatomy of the liver organ, you will come to know liver is directly involved in your menstrual cycle bleedings. It may be less or it may be excess. If you are having the less bleeding, then these points, lever 1, lever 2 is wonderful point, lever 5 is another point which I have shared on my Facebook, and this point is also lever 8. These 3 points are very important. You can see this protocol of my color medicine is around 30 years old on the Facebook. So many people are using this protocol. So many people has given me the excellent results, excellent feedback about these points. One of the person, he got result in the Australia. He was NRI. When he came to India, he especially came to me, he met me, and he sent me, thanks sir, my wife was suffering very badly due to this cycle issue. I saw your post and I put these colors to her, and within few days she got very good results. and these points, liver 2, liver 5, liver 8, red color. Anybody, those who are suffering, they can use this point. If you are not getting the results after putting these points, there are another protocol which may be important for you. In simple way, these points are very effective, give 90% results in all the cases. Some patient may be there, they may be having the problem due to another issue also. So for that, if you are having an issue, you can please call me. My WhatsApp number is 9717380071. Any related problems with the menstrual cycle, liguria, white discharge, yellowish discharge, or any type of problem, the ladies, those who are suffering, they can call me, they can write me on WhatsApp, they can write me on Messenger, and they can attend my classes. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is AIHR Integrative Healthcare. My WhatsApp number I have already told you. You can join my online classes to learn how this color medicine is working. Thank you so much.